God's name, I am that I am. When Moses asks for God's name, the answer isn't a title, it's a state of being, I am that I am. This is the divine essence in you. God didn't give a name like Steve or Jehovah. He gave a frequency of consciousness, I am. The Hebrew letters YHWH, Yod-Heh-Vav-Heh, carry both masculine and feminine energies. YHWH, or male, mind, WHE, female, spirit. This is the duality in all of us. The balanced union of inner masculine and feminine, logic and emotion, mind and heart. Over time, YHWH became Yahweh, and later, via Latin translation quirks, Jehovah. But the original meaning is still, I am. The divine awareness that exists within you. Who is God? You are, but not the ego. If someone asks, who is God? You can answer, I am. Not as your ego, but as the divine essence within. The same essence Jesus referred to when he said, I and the Father are one. So when Jesus says, ask in my name, he means ask from that place of higher consciousness, from the I am within you, and it will be done. Not by Jesus the man, but by the divine I am that you activate through meditation, alignment, and awareness. Meditation, the gateway to the I am. Jesus said, the kingdom of heaven is within you. So how do you enter? Through meditation, stillness, the quiet raising of consciousness. Just like Moses climbed the mountain and saw the fire in the bush, you must ascend your inner mountain, silencing the outer world to access the inner flame. In that sacred place of inner stillness, the I am, the true source of wisdom, healing, power, and peace, begins to speak and act through you. Modern insight, the science of identity and belief neuroscience now confirms that identity, what we say after I am, shapes the brain. Say, I am anxious, and your brain wires for fear. Say, I am calm, and your nervous system begins to match that vibration. The subconscious mind, like the biblical feminine spirit, does not reject what is impressed upon it. It simply manifests it. So if you say, I am unworthy, I am not good enough, it listens. But if you declare, I am abundant, I am powerful, I am love, it also listens, and begins to rewire your life around that truth. Final thought, you are not separate from God. You are the expression of the divine. When you quiet your mind, center your spirit, and speak from the I am, you activate the very power that created the universe. So ask in alignment, meditate with intention, speak with faith, and I am, the divine in you, will do it.